Our detailed comparisons are made possible by users who subscribe. Please support us and subscribe.
So I'm looking at these two super-automatic espresso machines, the Philips 3200 with LatteGo and the De'Longhi Magnifica Evo next. What do you think?
Okay, let's dive in. Right off the bat, the De'Longhi is newer, released this year, while the Philips is a bit older, from 2019, and it's a renewed product. That's a factor.
Yeah, the renewed part gives me pause. It's professionally inspected, but still. Plus, the De'Longhi is on sale for $799.95, discounted from $999.95. The Philips is $599.99, but it is renewed.
Price definitely matters. Let's talk features. The De'Longhi boasts 13 one-touch recipes, a color screen, and 3 user profiles. Sounds pretty fancy. And a built-in conical burr grinder with 13 settings.
The Philips has 5 coffee options and a 12-step grinder adjustment. It also emphasizes its LatteGo system for milk frothing. It says it mixes the milk and air and makes it splash-free. I wonder if it really is splash-free.
Both are fully automatic, which is the whole point, right? Less work for us. The De'Longhi has the Latte Crema hot tech and says it can handle milk alternatives, which is great if you don't do dairy.
Oh, that's a good point. I like that De'Longhi is thinking about milk alternatives. And it has a color screen, that's nice. The Philips just has a regular display, I think.
Looking at the dimensions, they're pretty similar in size and weight, both around 21 pounds. The De'Longhi is a bit deeper at 17.5 inches, though.
The Philips highlights its aroma extract system, which is supposed to keep the water temp at the optimal range. Do you think that really makes a difference in the taste?
It could. Temperature control is key for good espresso, but the De'Longhi probably has something similar, even if it's not called the aroma extract system. And it has videos. That's always helpful to see it in action.
Good point. The De'Longhi also has a much higher rating from customers, 4.9 versus 4.1, and it's the #1 bestseller in super-automatic espresso machines. The Philips is number 121, and that's in the renewed category.
Yeah, that higher rating is significant, and the bestseller badge is tempting. I think for the extra money, the De'Longhi Magnifica Evo next seems like the better choice, especially with the discount and the color screen. The user profiles sound convenient too.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.